Hey guys, it's Stephanie.
And I'm Joe.
And we're with Living Well Realty. Today we are out here at Sandbrock Ranch, and this beautiful home behind us is now available, and it's a Highland Home, and it's the 274 floor plan. So let's go inside and take a peek. So this house is just over 3,600 square feet. It's 4-bed, 4.5 bath. It does feature an office, game room, media room, and a very open concept with a breakfast nook, kitchen, and the main family living space.
Some of the key features we love about this home are the hardwood floors throughout, the sink in the laundry, the freestanding tub, and the epoxy garage floors. One thing I really love is the extended patio where they already put pavers in for you. And then the best part of this home is the green space right across the street with the view of the pond and the amenity center. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tour. Again, we're here in Sandbrock Ranch, another beautiful community in the DFW area. Reach out if you have any questions.